Hello, this is Antonina Gear of simplisticfinancials.com, and today is Financially Savvy Friday, so I want you to get your finance savvy on. So today my finance savvy tip is to prepare for the tax season now. Okay, so as women entrepreneurs or just entrepreneurs in general, we tend to wait to the last minute to handle the tax season stuff. But what it does, it stresses us out, it costs us money, and it costs us time. So I have a few tips that I want to share with you today that will help you if you prepare now, prepare early. It'll save you a lot of stress, a lot of frustration, a lot of time, and even money. So today what I want you to do is start thinking about getting on your accountant's calendar or your tax preparer's calendar before December 31st. This helps you to be proactive. You can make sure you get in and talk to your accountant by phone or in person to discuss your tax liability, if any, or if there's going to be any tax savings that you're going to see in your business. You can also talk to your accountant at that time about tax planning for next year. I like to say that tax planning happens all year round. So it's what you do with your financial management processes in your business to help ensure that your tax season is less stressful, that you're saving yourself time and you're saving yourself money. Number two, I want you to start thinking about your financials. If you have not been tracking your income and expenses or haven't been regularly keeping those things up to par, you need to sometime today or before the end of the weekend set aside some time to get your financial statements together. That's your income statement. If you can't do anything else, do that at least from January to October. Okay, this gives your accountant a sense of what your profitability is or has been throughout the year. As you may or may not know, the profitability is what IRS expects you to pay your estimated taxes on. So these are things you want to also bring up in the meeting with your accountant, okay? I also want you to organize your financial documents. That's so important. You know, we get around and we run around and we're stressing and we're like chickens with our head cut off around the tax season because we don't have anything organized. So I want you to do this too before the end of the weekend or hopefully within the next 2 weeks, is to organize your financial documents. Get your financial receipts together. Any mileage that you've taken throughout the year, traveling to clients, traveling to seminars, to coaching sessions, to training sessions, any mileage that you've incurred for that, any mileage you've incurred to go to your office or to go to your office supply store, all these things that you do in your business, make sure that you have documentation and organize it to documentation to prove that. You want any documentation together that you plan to take a tax deduction on. Make sure you have those records together. I recommend that you sort them by month so that you can just go to 1 month and bam, pull it out and you have it for your accountant or your tax preparer. And one last thing I want to share with you is start to think about your tax liability. And what I mean by that is all of us, we love to get tax deductions. We want to save money. We want to keep as much of our profit that we earn in our business. So the end of the year is the perfect time to think about purchases that your business needs. I said need. You never want to just spend money for tax deductions reasons. You want to, but if there are things that you actually need to spend your money or spend your money on in your business that's going to really help your business and you really need it, like say you need to purchase a printer or a new laptop or a new computer to help you do work more efficiently in your business. Those are purchases you might want to do this year, and that'll help reduce your tax liability. That's all I have for you on Financially Savvy Friday. If you have any questions, feel free to send them to Ask Antonina at simplisticfinancials.com. That's Ask Antonina, ANTONINA at simplisticfinancials.com. If you also need help with getting these things together, I can help coach you through that. Send an email to info@simplisticfinancials.com. Happy Friday. Have a blessed day.